For you friends, I am gonna show you how to edit and draw text on Camtaisa. So let's get started the video. Especially his director came on YouTube to teach me to make Camtaisa intro text, so that's why I'm making this video today. So let's start. First of all, I will show you this website is the website of the name Philosophy, the best intro template. I will give you link this video in the description. Within this website you will find intro template, outro template, logo, wallpapers, gaming, thumbnails, audio visualizer and banner, After Effect, everything. I have already downloaded this intro template, so first you will open this project. If you also want to download this intro, I have given a link to the video's description. The whole computer is not so special that it can support the high HD resolution. Now I'll click the text template. After edit on callouts,
you can write anything custom.
I'm making it for myself. If you work on YouTube now, it's better for you too. So please subscribe my channel. So lovely friends, thanks for watching my video.